Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm thinking about the online teaching for the new society EVES, and there are two ways to go ahead. The first way, I can create a 3D hall like this one, which can accommodate up to 100 virtual doctors, and I have 3 screens that I can teach a lot of the courses that we are planning to do. All these 3 screens are easily maneuverable. I can put videos, I can put image, I can put live cases, recording. I can also connect it to webcam, and the cost is free of charge. It will not cost us much. It will not cost us anything at all. And I can record multiple lessons and will be recorded forever. This is one of the ways of having online teaching courses totally on the computer with a 3D format. This is, let us say, method number 1. Now, the second way, which is also attractive and appealing, is to make a mobile application. So here I have created 3 mobile applications for the Indo-Egyptian Society of Vascular and Vascular Surgery. The first one about guide wires. It's a mobile app that I can put all the information to candidate on his mobile. He can start scrolling down into the course. In this course, I can explain types of guide wire, indication, usage, live cases, live recorded cases. I can give my voice. I can put any information into this mobile application. It's again not difficult. It's easy. I have made 3 courses. One for the guide wire, the second one for the balloon. Here is the EVES course for the balloon, the basic design of the balloon, advantage, disadvantage, how to use the balloon, and the structure of the balloon, and the history, when was the first balloon started, cruising, and the rest of the history. There is also another software on the mobile app regarding stents, what type of stents, how to use them, and all these courses can be given to companies to sponsor. It will not affect our. We can select the material that we want. So I want to take your opinion. Which method do you prefer that I shall proceed on, or proceed with the 2 methods? Waiting for your help and advice, and thank you very much.